Of course, and they are tasting it always every single month. I would
I think longer than that. Generally, they know what it's going to be. If that's going to be, I mean, I don't know, to be honest. I've never actually asked. It's a good question. I should ask that. Like, how often? I now know with the computers, they probably don't taste it ever because the computer says, "Oh, today this thing went like 1 millimeter higher in sugar. Oh, today it dropped 5." I don't know.
Yeah, but are the computers connected to each barrel? Is it for the barrels, the barrel aging, or for the? I thought that the computers are helping with the fermentation and the distillery.
I mean, it looks
Everything.
like when you see some of these barrels look like if you and me were going to go to the hospital and you got like 12 things on your chest. You know, this
Wow.
one might be measuring the humidity in the warehouse. This one is measuring the sugar content. This one is, I mean, I don't know what's going on. I'm going to ask that question next time because all I see is lots of shit with computers.
Okay, I see. Maybe there are some automation systems for the filling up the barrels.
Thanks for watching this video. You can watch the full podcast episode by clicking here, or watch another interesting video by clicking here. Let's continue the discussion in the comment section and see you in the next one.